Hello, Sleek Bill users. Welcome to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. In this video, we will learn how to show the primary signature in quotation documents using Sleek Bill billing software. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit Sleek Bill official website. Now click on the Login button available at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your registered email ID and password. Then click on the Sign In button. After successful login, you will reach the Sleek Bill dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, navigate to Documents, then Quotations. This section contains all quotation customization settings. Now locate the option called Show Primary Signature. Enable this option to display the primary signature in your quotation documents. After enabling the option, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Now create or preview a quotation document. You will see the primary signature displayed in the quotation. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.